Hello students, welcome back to Luminary Academy, and today I am back with a new video. In this video I will be solving class 10 chapter number 8 exercise 8.1 question number 11. Okay, so this question, in this it is very simple question. It is true and false based, but actually people get confused in this, or children get confused in this because of the conceptual part. Okay, so we'll be discussing some conceptual part of this question, question number 11. So first A part, it is written that the value of tan A is always less than 1. Okay, so as I told you that the ratio of tan A is perpendicular upon base, right? Perpendicular upon base. Now here you know that perpendicular and base are the sides of a triangle, right? But this is hypotenuse, this is perpendicular, and this is base if this is theta, right? Now you always know that hypotenuse is the greatest or the longest side of a triangle. Then now here it is written that the value of tan A is always less than 1. Okay, so if it is always less than 1, then this will be always smaller than base. Okay, if this is smaller, this is bigger, then the value will always less than 1. But here this is not the case. It can be greater, it can be less than. This condition can also be possible and this condition can also be possible. So we are not sure about this condition कि perpendicular बड़ा होगा या perpendicular छोटा होगा या base बड़ा होगा या base छोटा होगा. Therefore, if we are not in the deciding position, in that case we always consider the statement as false. So the first statement is false. I hope you understand the logic. So यहाँ ये बोलना चाह रहा है कि perpendicular हमेशा बड़ा होगा in this particular case, but that is perpendicular हमेशा छोटा होगा and base हमेशा बड़ा होगा, but this is not compulsory. Base can be smaller, perpendicular can be greater, the value can be greater than 1. Okay, so this is true, so this is false because of two condition, and we are not sure about any of the conditions, so that's why it is false. Now sec, you know that cos opposite of cos is, I am writing here, so cos A is black hair, black upon hair. Now sec A will be hair upon black. So hair is always bigger number and base is always a smaller number. So here 12 is bigger, base is smaller, so this is true, right? This condition is true. Now cos A is abbreviated or abbreviation used for cosecant of angle A. No, cosecant नहीं होता है, ये cosine होता है. So it is cosine of angle A. Okay, ये वर्ड है cosine, right? And यहाँ पर cosecant लिखा हुआ है, that is wrong, right? Now cot A is a product of cot into cot and A, that is wrong. It is cotangent of angle A. So ये वर्ड यहाँ पर आएगा cotangent of angle A, और यहाँ पर ये आएगा cosine of angle A. ठीक है, ये दोनों false है. ठीक है, तो ये भी false है और ये भी false है, right? Now C part, sorry, fifth part, sin 4 upon 3. So you know that some people have, अब आपको पता है कि हमेशा hypotenuse की वैल्यू बड़ी होनी चाहिए, बट यहाँ hypotenuse 3 है, that is not possible, क्योंकि perpendicular hypotenuse से बड़ा नहीं हो सकता. So this is also false, this condition is also false. जो value of perpendicular is 4 and hypotenuse is 3, और hypotenuse सबसे बड़ा होना चाहिए, तो this is wrong. Okay, so I hope student you got this logic. It is very simple, just your conceptual part should be clear, then you will be able to crack it. So ये MCQ में आ सकते हैं, it is possible कि आजकल MCQ आते हैं तो 10 या 20 MCQ में से कोई पूछ चले. Okay, so prepare well and keep watching and share with your friend. Thank you students.